Hi everyone, this is PTYX from the Komodo team. Today we're going to walk you through the install of the Agama wallet. It's a very simple installation. I've started a new Mac, so this would be a clean install. So basically you would go to the komodoplatform.com website and you would download the latest wallet. Once you download it, you will be prompted to extract it and then we can begin the installation. More importantly, once we're done with the installation, I will walk you through the steps of creating a seed and funding your wallet in order to provide you a sense of what you need to do to have your wallet be secure, first of all, and second of all, to be able to use it. Okay, so it's done downloading. Now we can extract it. Okay, you can select the language, accept the agreement, and you will begin downloading the Zcash parameters files. This could take a few minutes depending on your connection. I will leave it running until it's done. And what this does, it'll allow you to use the zero knowledge proofs on native. It's a requirement, so you download it while the installation is happening. Okay, I'll press pause and I'll be back in a few moments. Okay, so once the wallet is finished installing, you can launch Agama right away. And then we can proceed to use the wallet. Well, actually, we would create a seed since it's a first time that you're running a wallet. So basically, what we want to do is we either want to have a notepad handy or we want to have a pen and paper in order to write down the seed. So what we want to do is we want to activate the coin, and it could be Komodo on Lite mode or on native. On native, it will not ask you to create a seed because you won't need a seed to log in. The funds will be located in the wallet that. But for the SPV function or the Lite function, you would create a new wallet and you will be presented with a seed. And we want to copy this seed, and we also want to re-verify it. Now we get a warning that's asked me if I've taken a backup of the seed, and I also have a pop-up that tells me that it's the first time that I've used this seed, to please write down my Komodo public address, and I will do so. Additionally, it tells me that I should log out and log into Agama again in order to verify the seed is correct. So I will log out. I will copy my seed again. And now it tells me that my seed appears to be correct since my address matches. And now I can begin using the wallet. So once you're in here, the next step would be to fund your wallet. I will press pause while I send funds to this wallet. Alright, so as you can see, I've made a 2Komodo transaction. It's still confirming. But I will go ahead and explain other features of the wallet. For example, if I go to the Settings tab and I click on the App Config, I can enable the experimental features or the advanced features, and then I would save the app config. And when you restart Agama, you will actually see a different or more settings. Okay, so with the experimental features on, I will be able to access the export tool, which is one of the tools that I wanted to show you. Now we can see that my wallet has balance. And if I navigate to the tool tab, I will be able to use all these tools. And the one that I wanted to show you is seed to key pair. The seed to key pair will allow you to export your private key from your seed. So here we can paste our seed, our long seed. We can get the WIF key, which is our private key for our address. And this will allow us to spend funds that are in this address. You can do this for all of the coins that are supported in Komodo, and as you can see, there's quite a few. We can go back to the wallet tab. So you can use Komodo for the Komodo coin, and you can use it for other coins. So if you click on the Activate tab, you can also activate other coins, and you can also activate Komodo asset chains. So for example, we can run Jumbler, which is a Komodo asset. And the Komodo assets share the same Komodo address, but for example, Dash has a different address. However, if we navigate to the tool and we select Dash, we can paste our seed and we will be able to export our Dash private key, even though the addresses are different than the Komodo encoding. And there it is. So you can repeat this for all other coins as well. And this is pretty much it. These are the basic functions of the wallet. If you want it to send out, you would navigate to the Send tab, and you could send whichever amount you want. Once you make the confirmation, you will receive the transaction ID number that you can check on the Block Explorer and make another transaction. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please go to supportkomodoplatform.com. Write us a ticket if you need any technical support. Have a great day.